You are now locked in to the latest and the greatest on the Android system. This is the channel that gives you information every day in every way possible. Make sure you hit that like button and hit the notification bell as well. Subscribe and become a member of the family. Check out the full catalog that I made just for you, and I'll see you after this. Peace. Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome to another video for today. Now the video for today is about how to send and receive picture messages. I just was able to address two different issues on two different phones with the same issue, which was I wasn't able to receive or send picture messages with two of my smartphones. All I had to do was some really simple steps that I'm going to show you right now. I had those picture messages up and running within a matter of minutes. So all I had to do was go into settings right here at the top, and then right here you're gonna look for your network mobile settings. So you click Cellular Networks right here. Now once you get into this screen, it's gonna take you into basically something called access point names. Now whatever access point name you're using, right here I have the internet one that is designated for my Cricket wireless carrier. If you're using Sprint, T-Mobile, Verizon, AT&T, Metro PCS, this video will help you as well. I'll get into that in some detail, a little bit more detail later on in the video. But right now, if you're using Cricket Wireless, these are the settings you would actually need. So go right ahead and press that button right there to get in. Let me just go back right here. If you see nothing on the screen whatsoever, just press that button right there and you can start from scratch. I'll help you fill in those blanks right now, but if you already have your network, just click that in. And what you want to do to manipulate the ability to send and receive text picture messages is right here, these three options: MMSC, MMS proxy, and MMS port. So right here, if you're using Cricket Wireless, you're going to see that it does have that option right there, which is HTTP, the two dots, // mmsc.aiowireless.net. Press OK. Then you're going to go to MMS proxy. Click this one in here. Just go ahead, type that in, proxy.aiowireless.net. Then press OK. Then go to MMS port, type 80, and then just press OK. Now the main thing you want to do after all that is happening is actually press save. Now if you don't have any of those settings in there and you have to start from scratch, all you have to do is use Google right here. Now use Google to type in APN for Cricket. Now once you type in APN for Cricket, you're going to get the options right here. Click that button right there for the first option. Now it's going to take you to the APN settings for Cricket. Now let me zoom in here. You're going to get those settings right there. So all you have to do is search for it, even jot it down on a notepad or anything like that. But make sure you type those in as you see them right into the designated areas. Now, if you're using another smartphone, such as a Sprint phone, you're just going to change the wording there because it's different for each carrier. So you're going to type APN for Sprint. Now, APN for Sprint is right there, the first option. They're going to have those options right here. Now, all you have to do is go into the designated spaces, type all the corresponding boxes in with that information as you see it. There's some alternate options here. If the first one doesn't work, that's for Sprint, that's for Cricket. Then if you're using T-Mobile, just type T-Mobile, APN for T-Mobile. You'll have the picture messages running in just a couple of actual minutes or seconds after you've actually saved those options in your phone. Right here you get all the APNs for each carrier right from Google. So there's no like brain or rocket science that you have to like, break down anything. It's simple, easy steps. It's basically all this information you're inputting there. Make sure it corresponds correctly, and then just press save. Now, I could just keep going, Metro PCS, Sprint, T-Mobile, Cricket, but it's all going to be there. All you have to do is fill that information in right here inside of Cellular Networks. Now, go into that Cellular Networks, press access point names, go into edit, or if you don't have any of that information in, just go to the plus sign, which is going to create one for you. Fill in those corresponding boxes. Press, once you're in there and you've actually completed the information that's in those three different boxes, or the whole sheet, depending on what information you need, these would be the three boxes that you would actually need for sending and receiving picture messages. I had mine up in a matter of seconds after I did that. I was ready to go, ready to rock and roll. All those picture messages were coming in. Then I pressed save. Then I went back. Then I reset my phone right here. Went to restart, let that thing do its thing. The thing booted back up, and I was getting picture messages in a matter of seconds. So, it's a really quick, easy steps that you just have to follow. And then you'll basically be up and running in a matter of time there. But that's all I did. I was able to troubleshoot with two different smartphones. I wasn't getting pictures, and I wasn't able to receive or send for like a couple of days. And one day I was just like, let me fix this issue. Went ahead, did what I just showed you, and I was up and running with both phones really quickly. So I didn't have any problems whatsoever after that. I was up and running. Here's the new mobile on. I'm using this thing. It's unlocked for Cricket Wireless, or I could use this thing for any carrier. But right now I'm on Cricket with this device, and I just noticed I wasn't able to send or receive picture messages, which is something that all of us love to do. Um, and I know that's something that we're always sharing social media. We're always, sharing selfies and everything like that. So make sure you follow those steps in this video so you can go ahead and enjoy your smartphone to the fullest. It is your boy Serrano here. If you found anything in the video here today helpful to you, definitely click that like button. Definitely click that bell as well, notification bell button, and make sure you click always so you can get notified on every single video that I do make exactly for you, especially checking out the full catalog of videos that corresponds to a whole different wide variety of subjects for the Android system. Again, appreciate you guys watching this video here today. Thank you for being a subscriber to the family. And I do look forward to seeing you on the next video in that comment section. Leave all your comments down below if you have any questions whatsoever, and I will definitely look forward to speaking with you. I think that would be pretty cool. We could start a conversation. But in the meantime, have a great Memorial Day and weekend. It's your boy Serrano. In the meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, evening, and depending on where you are, have a great night.